Oily skin can be a blessing in disguise, as it tends to age more slowly, but managing excess oil production can be a challenge. Instead of resorting to commercial products laden with chemicals, why not turn to Mother Nature for a solution? Start your skincare routine with a gentle cleanser made from green tea and honey. Green tea is renowned for its antioxidant properties and can help reduce oiliness, while honey adds moisture without clogging pores. Simply mix brewed green tea with a tablespoon of honey, apply to your face, and rinse for a refreshing cleanse. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, works wonders for restoring the pH balance of the skin. Mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water, apply using a cotton ball, and use it as a toner after cleansing. ACV helps control oil production and minimizes pores, leaving your skin feeling fresh and balanced. Exfoliation is crucial for oily skin, but harsh scrubs can strip the skin of essential oils, triggering more oil production. Opt for a gentle oatmeal and yogurt scrub. Mix ground oatmeal with plain yogurt to form a paste. Gently massage onto your face in circular motions, then rinse. Oatmeal soothes the skin, while yogurt provides a mild exfoliation, leaving your skin smooth and oil-free. Clay masks are excellent for absorbing excess oil, and aloe vera adds a soothing touch. Mix bentonite or kaolin clay with fresh aloe vera gel to create a mask. Apply, let it dry, and rinse. This mask not only helps control oil but also provides essential minerals to the skin. While it may sound counterintuitive, applying oil can actually regulate your skin's oil production. Jojoba oil closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, fooling it into producing less oil. Add a few drops of tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial properties, to create a powerful serum. Apply a small amount before your moisturizer for balanced hydration. Moisturizing is essential, even for oily skin. Opt for a light, hydrating moisturizer by combining fresh cucumber juice with aloe vera gel. Cucumber helps soothe the skin, while aloe vera provides moisture without making your skin greasy. Achieving a balanced and healthy complexion for oily skin doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals or expensive products. These DIY recipes for skincare for oily skin harness the power of natural ingredients to control excess oil production while nourishing and maintaining your skin's vitality. Embrace the simplicity of these recipes and let nature guide you towards a radiant and oil-free complexion.